Hello folks, this is David Hurley of top5programs.com. What I want to do today is show you how to change the default admin user setting when you set up a new WordPress blog. As you probably know, it's probably why you're here watching this video. When you start a new blog, your default username is admin. And every time you publish a post, it's published by admin. You want to get rid of admin for two reasons. One is that admin is what every hacker will first try as the username when trying to break into a WordPress site. And second is that when you're posting content on your blog, you want to have something more personal so people can recognize that it's you who's posting on your blog. So here we have admin, and now let's go into our dashboard and see how we can change it. You can find your users on the users panel here, all users in your dashboard menu. And there we are, admin, but there's no way to delete admin here. There's no delete option. What you have to do is, first of all, create a new user in your account. So here's add new, users, add new. Okay, username. Now here's where you give the personal username or the username you'd like to show. So I'll just put in David. This is David Hurley, so I'll put in David, and then an email. Your email really should be different from the email that you use to set up your admin account when you started the WordPress blog. If you have a Gmail account and you only have one Gmail account, what you can do to make it appear different to WordPress but be read as the same address by Google is simply put a full stop somewhere in the middle of your username. Now WordPress will see that as a different email address and will accept it, and Google will ignore the full stop, and or Gmail will ignore the full stop and read that as your regular email address. But I have a couple of accounts, so I'm going to use a different account here to set up my new user on WordPress. Okay, we don't need to worry about the website. Send the new user an email about their account and set it up as administrator. It's the highest level of user. Add new user. It will have sent an email now to my Gmail account, which is somewhere over here, and there it is, WordPress. So set your password, visit the following address. And here is the password. I better paste that because I'm likely to forget it. I don't mind if you see the password because this is just a demo website that I'm going to shut down as soon as I finish this video. So now we have our password for the new admin. What we're going to do next is log out of our admin account here. So here's admin. I'm logging out. I'm logging out. I think I'm logging out. Let's try again. I'm logging out. Here we go. And now I'm going to log in using that other password, and I'll use my second email address. Let's see if that does the trick. Okay, now I've logged in. It should be under the username of David Hurley. There we are, not admin, but David Hurley. Now we come over to my to the users, and here we have the two usernames. We've got David and we've got admin. Now it's admin that we want to delete. And as you can see, now that David is here, and I've logged in as David, so I can't delete the usernames I've logged in as, but I can now delete admin. So that's what I will do. I'll delete admin. They're both administrators, so the role isn't going to change. Okay. And I will attribute all content to my new username, David Hurley. Confirm deletion. There, now that's done. So admin has gone. There's just David. Now, when we come over to the blog, Here it says admin, but let's refresh. We'll see that that post is now by David Hurley, so very personal. In my case, I like to use my actual name when I'm blogging. I believe that personal is best in these things. Okay, so back here we've got the username. We've got another step to do, which is to change that Gmail to my email that I set to my regular account. So we'll just get rid of that. That is the Gmail email address that I used on the admin, and I now want to use it so that my profile picture will come back as me here. It may not happen straight away, but it will happen. So there is a pending change to your email. Okay, so now I've almost certainly got to log out of my second Gmail account and log into my first one, which is what we'll do here. Change to another user. Hopping into my regular Gmail account. There is the message I want. Click that link. And there we are. Now we're back in WordPress. It recognizes that my regular Gmail address is the address for this username, David Hurley, and that's brought up the Gravatar image. So in short, that is how you can change your admin to a new username in WordPress. I hope this video was useful. That's all for today from me, David Hurley of top5programs.com.